Now there is certain conversion. Now the topic is horsepower. It was in 1960s or before that. There is a horsepower. Now it is watt and all. Now these are the conversion. You must know it. Okay. Now I am just rolling it. It is self-explanatory. Please note down. Okay. 1 HP is equal to, actually this is the basic definition, 550 feet pound per second. Now 550 into feet is converted to meter, and then the pound is converted to Newton. So this is in Newton meter per second. It is nothing but watt. So this much is a watt. You take round about 746, but actually the 1 HP in metric में it is 735, not 46, 735.5. So you can use this one or this one for the problem solving, anyone, no problem. So this you convert it, this watt to the kg force meter per second. This will be 75 kg force meter per second. So use 1 HP is equal to 75 kg force meter per second or 746 watt for solving the problems. Okay. Now I am giving the basic definition of power. This is power is equal to F into V. F is in the force in Newton and V is in meter per second. So it is Newton meter per second. That is nothing but watt. Okay. One watt means 1 joule per second. So now if the angular velocity is there, then power can be calculated from the force will be replaced by torque and velocity V will be replaced by angular velocity. So T omega. Now if you take T in Newton meter, then it will be T omega watt. So omega is the radian per second. Now if T is in kg force meter, then power is equal to T into W omega kg force meter per second. So this will be T into omega is equal to twice pi n by 60, where n is the RPM. Okay. Now T into twice pi n by 60, this will be kg force meter per second. Now as you know, 1 HP is equal to 75 kg force meter per second. So it will divide this one. This will be converted to directly in HP. So HP is equal to twice pi nt by 450. So HP is equal to twice pi nt by 450. You remember, when you have to find out HP, then T will be in kg force meter. Okay. Now again this is a formula to be used, and this is T is equal to 4500 HP by twice pi n, that you know. So this is nothing but 716.2 HP by n. Okay. So that is T is equal to 716.2 by n HP when T is in kg force meter. Now if you take this one into multiply by 100, so 71620 HP by n when T will be in kg centimeter. Okay. Now from here you can, this is the another formula, this is first formula, this is another formula, and there is another formula. From there all are you can use all this, but you see T is equal to 71620 HP by n, and from here you convert HP to kilowatt to kilowatt. So 1 HP is equal to 0.7335 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt will be equal to HP by this one. Okay, so this will be in kilowatt. So you can do it, you can do this one, and then this is the formula we will be using. This one, this is the formula we will be using, 9550 kilowatt by n. So how much kilowatt it will be given to this? I have also solved the problem using these three formulas in my previous video. Okay.